Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add zeros to your mobile phone numbers while writing them in Excel. So you know that when you want to type a zero in Excel, assuming you want to type this number and you just want to add a zero in front because it's a mobile number, you'd notice that the zero always disappears, and that's because of the formatting that we have. So we're going to treat that now, and to do that, just select the numbers that you want to correct. Then using Control 1, bring up the format cells, then go to custom and then click on general. So just keep typing zeros until you get the formatting that gives the numbers that you want to put. So for Nigerian numbers, the numbers are 11. So I'm just going to keep typing zeros till I get 11. So this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you notice here that once it got 11, the zero here came up in the sample. So you just click OK, and voila, you have your zeros in front of your numbers. Another way people usually like to do this is to use an apostrophe here, and then you type 08067874503. Sorry, whoever has that number. Then you have this. So this also pops up this way. So thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Please subscribe. Bye.